start off this presentation, I wanted to ask you guys, by a show of hands, how many of you believe in the phrase, "you are what you eat"? A lot of you. So if that's the case, then why is it that we still support battery farming? So that's your cue.
For what?
That's obviously what my topic is about, the truth about battery farming. According to the Humane Society of the United States, battery farming is a housing system used for various animal production methods, primarily for egg-laying hens and for raising cattle. This is a pretty decent picture of what battery farming looks like. If you actually Google it, there's a lot worse pictures, more graphic. That's for chickens, and then the next one is for cattle. As you see, they're all grouped together, and they're inside in cages. A little bit of background information. On average, Americans consume about 250 eggs each year. 300 million egg-laying hens produce over 6.5 billion dozen annually. Like, that's a lot of eggs. According to the American Egg Board, they say that there are approximately 59 egg-producing companies with a 1 million plus layers that represents approximately 87% of total production, and 16 companies with greater than 5 million layers. Basically, what all that is saying is there are a lot of chickens producing way too many eggs that it's unnatural. The benefits of banning battery farming: 1, it's going to improve your health. 2, it's going to improve the environment's health. And 3, it's going to decrease animal cruelty rates. When I say it's going to improve our health, Dr. Ellen Silbergard found that more than 50% of factory workers infected by, I can't say the name, but Campylobacter, and this one right here, catch it while working at the actual farms. It's so common that they have the name called chicken catchers. Obviously, when you consume the meat of the chicken or the cattle, you are also eating what they ate. So it risks food products to have substandard quality, and it also prevents other health defects like brain damage, which is connected to depression, miscarriage, and respiratory problems. It will benefit the earth. The confined animal editing operations releases mass amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. The American Integrity Project stated that some factory farm air is more polluted than some of the most dirtiest cities in the United States today. It also releases a vast amount of methane. Methane basically is one of the most harmful chemicals that is released in farms like that. 70% more, methane is 70% more damaging than CO2. Next slide. It will also decrease animal cruelty. Since there are so much demand for eggs, of course, if there's more demand, there's more consumption. So 200 million hens have laid 77.3 billion eggs in 2015, according to the Farm Sanctuary. Animals are fed with high, fatty foods. It's not even really food, it's just a chemical. If you notice, organic chicken breasts are a lot leaner and smaller than just the regular ones because they're fed with more chemicals. Obviously, only female chickens can have eggs, so the male hens are usually just killed off and thrown away. Female hens, when they are really young, they cut off their beaks in order to prevent them from cutting each other. And if they don't have eggs, they go through something called forced molting, which is basically when they are starved for about 2 weeks in order to basically jumpstart their bodies in order to consume eggs. There are a lot of excuses, of course. Some say it's too expensive, others say it is impossible. However, economists Bailey Norwood and J.C. Luss did a research basically, and they found out that if everyone transitioned to eating organic eggs, it would only cost about $284, $200.84 per person a year, which isn't bad. So I want to leave you guys with this quote. The idea that some lives matter less is the root of all that is wrong with the world.